Oops. Ah! Ew. You want a new one? Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Wow.
Careful.
Cut.
Mother. Sucker.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two special guests.
Carlos.
Linda. And today we are going to do the spicy noodle challenge. How do you feel? How do you guys feel?
I'm afraid.
I suck at eating chile, so I'm not that good.
Yeah, okay. So since these two don't really eat that much spicy foods, I gave them both the regular spicy and then I gave myself the 2 times spicy because I do like spicy food a lot. So
You're gonna die.
okay, all at the same time, okay?
But how much? Because I'm not good with chopsticks.
Just like
One noodle?
Just eat
This is good?
eat the whole thing.
Is this good?
Cheers.
Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna cry. Ooh, you can feel it.
That's good though, but it's very spicy.
It's all in the head.
Getting hot in here. We turn on the AC.
You're sweating.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. I'm trying not to swallow really fast or else it'll burn.
You finished?
Word. Let's see. Yours are better, flavor-wise.
Yeah. Yours just tastes like spicy. This one has like flavor and spicy.
yeah.
Linda eats more
It's all
chile than
within
me,
the
I feel
mind,
like.
guys. Stay woke. I'm like sweaty though. That lip sweat is real.
My eyes are watering.
Yeah, same. I feel crazy. I feel it in my head. My face is like tingly. It's the after.
I'm crying. Like I'm itchy. You're almost done too.
How do you feel?
It's hot.
You can throw up?
No. Oh, just take that whole thing. Just
No.
Done. Second place.
we're all done.
Did you just down it?
Yeah.
You have no clips. Oh, you did it! Man, I don't even know what happened. I like blocked that from my memory now. I'm hyped, man. Woo! Woo! This chili, guys.
Alright, how do you feel?
Ah.
How do you feel?
Exactly.
My face is numb for sure.
I think I'm going blind.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The noodles were really good. The flavor was there, it was good. But
There's no flavor.
I had the good flavor, it was good
There
flavor.
was flavor in the beginning,
I like
and then it kind of
the
like
feel of the noodles, but I didn't feel
numbed your
anything.
senses and just
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah, I've had hotter.
7.5.
I have hotter. Yeah, 7 probably. I've had hotter.
7?
Spicy.
No, this was definitely like an 8.5. Like I can barely talk. Like
I
my
have hiccups.
mouth is numb right now. I've seen my mom's lips
like
go small, like because of how spicy it is. That's how I feel right now. I have butthole lips right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Butthole lip.
Don't try this alone.
it was a good run.
Mission accomplished.
Bando.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Hit that smash. Wait. Smash that
Hit that
like
dumbbell.
Smash that
Smash
like
that
button,
like
guys.
A dumbbell.
We'll see you guys on the next one.